welcome to Grandview. Naan nami. So kita wana upa. Karniro. Naan nami karniro. Okay siya oh. Hala naunsa na siya. Upo ka na napiangan. Okay. Dako kayo siya no. Hello. Day na siya baby. Nay baby dira. Ay asa na tong baby? Ka-cute. Hi Bri. Come on na, dali na. Ikaw, come on. Ang baby oh. Dali na. Dali na. Hey Brian. You like it?
I like the guava.
Uh-huh.
And they're eating weeds.
Where's the baby? Hi little baby.
I like that weed there, which is
Uh-huh.
good.
So there we are. That's our sheep, baby sheep. Brian just picked up the baby one, the baby sheep. We purchased the sheep from Facebook. I joined a group on Facebook. It's called the Negros Farmers. It's just capital T and then Negros Farmers. And there was a guy from Tanjay city. He posted a sheep and it was a male only. So I asked the guy, does he have a female? Yeah, he got quite a few, and he's selling this for 17,000 for a male, one male and one female. But I paid a little bit more with this one because apparently this female is pregnant. Hopefully it is. We will see in 5 months time. If it's not, then I have to tell him that it's not. And we probably would purchase a couple more females. Would be nice. He's not done yet. Hey baby. So what was the name again? Brian already give them name. This one is Victor. This is Rover. Just go.
You can't give a female boy's name.
Yeah. Hello. That's okay. Look, Sabi. Look at the baby, Sabi.
Chickens are coming down to have a look. What the hell?
Dili siya musungay. He's a good fella. You can touch his head. They have good temperament. Yeah. That's okay. They like the guava. You like it, Sabi? Sabi? Like it's a baby. Yeah, because they are very, what do you call it? Their temperament. Look, she's so gentle.
Hello.
You like it?
Does it only have one baby?
Yeah. Uh-oh, here comes Greggy. Oh, no, he's peeing, Papa. Stop peeing on my phone.
Got so excited he wet himself.
Yeah. We will get him.
Girl.
We will get him to meet the new pet.
Oh, look at the male.
The male's looking in here. Oi, you peed yourself? Now he's ready. We are going to introduce him to the sheep. Uh-oh. Yeah. You see that? His foot? Letting him know, don't come near me or my family. Huh. Back off, back off.
Hiding behind me.
He's hiding behind Brian. Please, Popsy, he's so scary.
Oh, they're so scary.
He's scared. Nah. You leave them alone, huh? Greggy. Hello. He's looking at his baby. His baby's there. No, I don't know if that's his baby. The guy that sells us this sheep, he showed me the photo of the mom of that baby. So anyway, that's not his mom, the white one there behind the male. That's good. That's good. Look like they are feeling comfortable with each other. Hey, Greg. Greggy! He's looking at the baby. Yeah, I think he's okay now. He's comfortable with Greggy. Hope you like this video, guys. If you do, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. See you in my next vlog then. Bye bye.